Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. So for today's class, it is more about revision class which is for comparative adjectives. Okay, so let's start with let's remind back what is comparative adjective. Okay, comparative adjective is comparing two people, place or things. You want to compare, awak nak compare kan, bandingkan dua benda ataupun dua orang ataupun dua barang. Okay, so how you need to compare all those. Okay, you need to change the spellings and also add then at the back of the words. Okay, so for example, okay, there are three kinds of ways on how to change the adjective. Okay, so number one is why, but you need to change it with IER. Okay, next one. Number two, consonant at the back of the words, but you need to add ER or the same consonant, but we need to add also ER. Next one, you don't need to change the spelling. You just need to add more at the front of the words. Okay, now let's do it together. So for happy, okay, change Y to become IER. So the phrase should be happier than. Okay, let me write it for you. Okay, happier than. Okay, next one. How about scary? How should we change the word? Okay, so scary become scarier than. Okay, what about angry? Angrier than. Okay, now let's proceed. That is for Y, words with Y at the end. Okay, so now let's proceed with consonant at the end. Okay, so big, it become bigger than. Next one, how to change strong? Stronger than. Okay, last one would be fast. Faster than. Okay, now last one is more. Okay, as I've said before, more should be put at the front, and the spelling of the adjective you shouldn't change. Okay, so now the word, the correct phrase for using more is more beautiful than. Next one, more handsome than. Okay, last one would be more dangerous than. So this is the example of how to use Y, how to use words with the consonants, and also the words that you need to use more at the front. Okay, so that is how you change the word. Okay, so we are done with that. Now we are going to proceed to the next slide. So this, you can refer to your book page. Let me see in the textbook. So this is the words. This is the adjective that you can use for your next activity. So the first one is pretty. Number 2 is cute. Number 3 is big. Okay, number 4 is small. Next one is, hold on for a while. Okay, so now this is from, you can refer in your textbook, page 86. Okay, so now let's go one by one on how to change the word. Okay, so now all of these are adjectives that you can use for next activity. So now let's change it together. So what about pretty? Okay, the first one is pretty. So the end of the words is Y. So it become prettier than. Okay, next one. Cute. So cute is cute. You just need to add R at the end. So cuter than. Okay, next one. Big, it become bigger than. Small, smaller than. Scary, scarier than. Thin, thinner than. Tall, taller than. Long, longer than. Short, shorter than. Heavy, heavier than. Okay, next one we go to intelligent. More intelligent. More dangerous. More interesting. More boring. Stronger. Faster. Funnier. Noisier. Okay, so this is the words. So this is the adjective, the correct adjective for comparative adjective. Okay, so now what you need to do, so these are the dinosaurs that you need to use in your speaking activity. So how you need to do is, number 1, you need to record your voice of saying about 10 sentences for comparative adjective. Okay, if you don't know on how to directly say and record it, you can write it first. Okay, and then read it while record your voice, and then if you are done, please send it to me. Okay, so these are the dinosaurs that you need to use in your sentence. Okay, so now look at those words. Okay, so now let's go one by one. So this is Parasaurolophus. Parasaurolophus. Okay, next one. Euoplocephalus. Euoplocephalus. Okay, next one. Ornithomimus. Ornithomimus. Shantungosaurus. Shantungosaurus. Trudon. Trudon. Lambosaurus. Lambosaurus. Protoceratops. Protoceratops. Next one, Pachycephalosaurus. Pachycephalosaurus. This is your favorite. Tyrannosaurus. Tyrannosaurus. Next one, Oviraptor. 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 Triceratops. Triceratops. Velociraptor. Velociraptor. Okay, we go to next one. Hypsilophodid. Hypsilophodid. Next one. Iguanodon. 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 Next one. Psittasaurus. Psittasaurus. Sorry. Psittacosaurus. Psittacosaurus. The next one. Deinonychus. Deinonychus. Next one, we go to Jurassic. Okay. Apatosaurus. Apatosaurus. Allosaurus. Allosaurus. Okay, next one. Brachiosaurus. Brachiosaurus. Ceratosaurus. Ceratosaurus. Lesotosaurus. Lesotosaurus. Compsognathus. Compsognathus. Stegosaurus. Stegosaurus. Archaeopteryx. 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 This one. Last one would be Jurassic. Platosaurus. Okay, Platosaurus. Platosaurus. Okay, next one. Herrerasaurus. 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 Okay, this one. Colophysis. Colophysis. Okay, next one would be last one. Eraptor. Eraptor. Okay, so the name might be a bit hard to say. Okay, so what you need to do is, okay, choose 10 dinosaurs that you can find here. Okay, for example, I choose Troodon, Triceratops, Tyrannosaurus, Lumbosaurus, Shantangosaurus, and Raptor. Okay, so number 1. Okay, so you need to compare with one of another of the dinosaurs. Okay, so for example, I want to compare Troodon with Tyrannosaurus. Okay, so I would make the sentence: Troodon is smaller than Tyrannosaurus. Okay. Next one, that is sentence number 1. Sentence number 2. Okay, you need to continue. Awak kena sambung Okay, tadi awak dah guna Troodon dengan Tyrannosaurus. Tapi tu Tyrannosaurus dekat belakang. So, sekarang ni Tyrannosaurus untuk ayat kedua, Tyrannosaurus dekat depan. Okay, so Tyrannosaurus. Now I want to compare Tyrannosaurus and Triceratops. Okay, so number 2. Tyrannosaurus is scarier than Triceratops. Okay, now sentence number 3. Okay, sana nak buat sentence number 3. As I said before, the dinosaurs at the back, you need to bring it at the front for the new sentence. Okay, so Triceratops tadi dekat belakang kan, so Triceratops ni dekat depan. Cari dinosaur yang baru pula. Okay, so now I want to compare it with Iguanodon. This one, Iguanodon. Triceratops, Iguanodon. Okay, so Triceratops is cuter than Iguanodon. Okay, that one is 3. Okay, we are done with 3 sentences. Now let's proceed with 7 more. Okay, so I know you can do it. So if you are done with the recording part, please send it to me. And also, good luck. Stay safe, everyone.